Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another product review video. Small box. We're not going to really call it an unboxing. Technically it is, but we're going to go ahead and get it on out. This is by the company Yochos. I don't want to botch the pronunciation of the name, but just like all my unboxing and review videos, in the description box below is going to be the exact link for you guys right here to go ahead and check it out, read more reviews about it, pick a pair up yourself. You guys in the UK, if they sell them in the UK, I will have you linked as well. If not, one very similar to it. Those links again will be in the description box below. We're gonna have fully wireless earbuds. One in here, no wire attaching, battery powered, running Android 5.0. Yes, it does connect to Apple and Android devices. This is the model A66. Let's get it on out of the box. Something to keep in mind as well is that these guys right here, I've reviewed similar ones to these already, and these will not fall out of your ears. I know there's a lot of Apple lovers out there, and I'm not gonna botch the AirPods, but I've heard some stories, and these ones do not do that, which is really cool. So inside here, we have our little charging cable and stuff like that. We're gonna get to our earbuds. They give you a little user manual identification card there, telling you how to link them up to your phone or device, etc. But most of us know how to do that already. And something I am curious about is I want to know, right as I take them out of the case, right as I pull them out, is it gonna pair to my phone? So I like that feature. That is one feature we're gonna do. Obviously, we're gonna be testing phone call feature as well. Of course, the sound clarity bass. So stay tuned for all that in this video. You have your micro USB charging cable port here because the case has a battery in it, and that is a 800 milliamp battery, 3.7 volt. And the charging rate right here is 5 volt, 1 amp. And so this little case has an 800 milliamp battery. So once you're done, you put them on in here and then they will charge up. Let's go ahead and look at the manual to see if we do need to charge them before testing them for the first time. In the meantime, let's go ahead and open up this guy real quick and we'll go back to the earbuds in the case. So inside of this little guy here, you're gonna have different tips. And of course, that is for the different ear canals of people. There are 4 in there if you are wondering. It looks like 3, but there are 4. So that will give you different options there. And then a short, my guess, is probably a 8-inch USB to micro USB. That is for charging those. We all have the wall adapter from our cell phones, so just use one of those, plug it in, it's going to charge it faster than using a computer. Don't quote me on that one, but at least my computer. Excellent. Directions do say that once you do pair them and then you put them back in the second time, pulling them out and they're on, they will connect automatically to your phone. That means once you pull them out of the case, you don't have to have an on switch. That is absolutely fantastic, especially if someone's calling in and you just take them out of the case, throw them in your ears real quickly. That's a great feature. So this does have it. If you guys want to go ahead and pause this, that might be some information you are looking at there. The capacity of the earbud is 60 milliamp inside of each earbud, and then the charging case is 800 milliamp. Charging time is 1 hour, working distance is 10 meters, 30 feet, 33 feet. Again, Bluetooth 5.0. There's the earbud dimensions in millimeters. Music and talk time, 6 hours, 7 hours. Bluetooth profiles. The battery is a polymer, lithium ion, and you have stereo mode or mono mode. For you phone call guys over here, power off, long press, you can reject calls, you can activate Siri, plays pause music, next song, increase volume, previous song, double click it, decrease the volume, all from the touch panel of the ear pod there. Again, you guys can go ahead and pause that and read a little bit more. Typically all the earbuds now do kind of a similar to the same features. Let's go ahead and look at this one more time here. Now what's cool about this is, ladies and gentlemen, that is magnetic right there. That is absolutely fantastic. So you literally take this, here are your charging prongs right here, and this is your right one with the ear tip. Let's go ahead and look at this real briefly before we do put it back in. You do have a nice cool little LED ring, as we just saw it blink there. And I believe it's trying to pair when I pull them both out, but we'll get to that in just a little bit here as well. So this is what's the coolest feature, right? So you just literally slide it back into play there. 61% it looks like, but magnetic, so the case is open and it's not coming out. Again, you pull this one, boom, you pull this one out, and then just set it back in there. The charging prongs will go right on top, and you are up and rolling, as this one is now, I think, trying to pair as well. Let's go ahead and see what that button does. So that button actually turns it off. and that button turns it on. So we look like we're about 60%. So we'll probably put it on the charger before we do pair it for the first time. These might actually be at 100, I'm not exactly sure, but this says 60. Yes, which means the battery inside the case is at 59%. So I will charge the battery case. Okay, so the white rings of the LEDs right here means that the earbuds are charging right here. So it's using the case's battery to charge your earbuds here. This means that it is currently charging right now. And when both earbuds are fully charged, there will no longer be an LED ring light on either one, and the display will not be there either. There will be a prompt if your battery is running low, telling you low battery, please recharge. So let's go ahead and put this on the charger. We'll pair it. We'll test it out. Well, folks, let's go ahead and give you a wrap up here. The earphones are nice. I love that they're small. I love that you can just pop them in. Now, one good feature about these, right as I just pulled it out of the case, popped it in my ear, it literally connected it to my phone seamlessly within seconds, and it will actually say connected in here. You pop in this one, same exact thing. This one will power on, connect right there, literally just a few seconds, and now we are ready to listen to music. We are ready to have a conversation. This is a great feature, especially if you are driving, let's say, and you have a phone call coming in. Open up your case, pop your earbuds in so you can have a conversation. A hands-free conversation. Now, testing them out with phone calls was very clear and nice. A friend of mine that is on the phone all day with a very expensive headset said on his end, they sound like your typical like Samsung earbuds, Apple earbuds that come with the device free of charge when you do purchase the phone. But on your end, you're getting crisp and clear the same as you would if you're listening to music. And also the audio when you are taking a phone call is in both ears, which is absolutely fantastic. I have reviewed a pair of earbuds that the audio was only in one ear, and I definitely do not like that. Now let's go ahead and look at the earbuds inside my ears on what they look like inside. Now, one thing before I do mention that is that if you are getting a little bit less bass than you want to, check out different ear tips that come with the earbuds. Slip on the other ones for maybe a more of a tighter fit. Push them in your ear canal maybe a little bit more to get that full immersive bass experience. The battery life was fantastic. I was actually out doing gardening several times for an extended period of time. Never ran low on me. All right, so let's go ahead and look and see what they look like in my ears here. I'm gonna go ahead and move over to the side here a little bit. And the ones that actually came on the earbuds, I believe I'm gonna have to switch them over to maybe a little bit more thicker. Normally the ones that come on any type of device is perfect for me. These definitely stayed in. I was gardening, doing absolutely fantastic with them, but they still feel like I might need to go to the other size, the larger silicone ends, as we can see right there. You pop that one in right there, and that's what they look like inside the ears. Nice and sleek design. So let's say you were just jogging or walking down. People would see the black earbuds in your ears, and people are getting used to these now as well. Instead of seeing corded down to your phone, now they're seeing these wirelessly, complete wireless, and now they're getting used to it. So obviously they don't think you're rude if they speak to you and you're listening to music and you have no idea what's going on. They're definitely noise cancellation because they're in your ear canals. And so you do have to be careful. So what I like to do is I like to garden if I'm outside. I actually just keep one in just in case somebody wants to talk with me or something like that. Then that way I can actually hear what is going on. But if you're immersed in work or jogging, pop them both in and it'll cancel out everything. Well guys, thank you so much for watching the review video of the earbuds. Again, this exact same model is gonna be linked down in the description and box below. Pick a pair up yourself, guys. You won't be disappointed. They're going for a great price point, and that again will be linked below. Give it a thumbs up, guys, if you have enjoyed this video and has given you an informed decision, but please, just like all my review videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do review. If you have the cash and you wanna purchase away, I'll leave that up to you. Subscribe on your way out. I'll see you in the next video. My name's Chris. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.